Hello guys, Alethea here and welcome to Sewing Skill Building Saturday. As you know, I've been working on this pattern, McCall's 8447. This is where I am with the pattern. This is the back and it's wrong size out, and this is the front. I place the grommets on the waistband, and as you can see, I have the waistband clipped to the pants. So today I'm going to show you how to sew the waistband on these pants. McCall's 8447 View B is the pants, and it has nice pocket. Here is the front, right size out. Now remember the casing is just pant. Here is the back. Look at that pocket. Your pockets. And that seam that goes along the front of both pants legs. Here is the completed top. This is view A. Your sleeves, cuff, front, and back. I had to modify this top a lot, and I made a video about the modification of this top, and I'll put the link below, and also I'll put a picture of the thumbnail so you can go right to the video. Shout out to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Stay safe and blessed. So this is the waistband piece for these pants. It's number 13, and as you can see, it has the notches and along this edge with both sides of the casing, and you have your dots. So I have matched my pants with the dots and the notches. So let's sew the waistband to the pants. So this is the waistband piece for these pants. It's number 13, and as you can see, it has the notches and along this edge with both sides of the casing, and you have your dots. So I have matched my pants with the dots and the notches. So let's sew the waistband to the pants. So guys, don't forget Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. That's featured every Saturday of the month. And the sewing game is featured once a month in the beginning of the month. Thanks. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to all the videos. I appreciate you all. Making sure that all of my seams are open, my finished edges are open on the other side, and everything is going in the right direction for the waistband to be stitched. Very important. So as you can see, I've got the casing on the pants. I have to clean up my work and trim my seams. And we even installed the little opening. This pants pattern calls for elastic and a drawstring. That's why you have the grommets. And here's the little hole that you install the elastic through. And then you slip stitch it. But that's another video. See you next Saturday on Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. We're going to continue with this pattern, McCall's 8447, View B, the pants. We have the elastic to put in and the drawstring and the hem to complete. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. And I hope these Saturday skill building sessions help someone along the line in their sewing journey as well as mine. Each time I learn something new and different with a pattern, so I think it will benefit us all to learn new ways to do things or refresh ourselves with doing things. I appreciate you all. Thanks for coming. See you in the video.